Let's meet today. Let's catch up today. Good luck, bro. Break a leg, bro. It's not so difficult. It's not a rocket science. It's beautiful. It's breathtaking. Why are you so angry? Why are you so pissed off? I'm very tired. I'm exhausted. I'm very hungry. I'm starving. It's my mistake. It's my bad. Keep it a secret. Keep it under wraps. Señorita, you are so beautiful. Señorita, you are drop-dead gorgeous. I'm very happy. I'm over the moon. I'm very busy. I'm swamped. Please wait a moment. Please hold on a second. Be careful. Watch your step. Sorry, I fell asleep. Sorry, I nodded off. How are you? How's it going? It's very cold outside. It's freezing outside. I'm going to get married tomorrow. I'm going to tie a knot tomorrow. Hurry up, we're getting late. Chop chop, we're getting late. Stop wasting time. Stop faffing around. You are so lucky. You are so jammy. I visit my hometown very rarely. I visit my hometown once in a blue moon. Can I come tomorrow? Can I drop in tomorrow? I'm fit and healthy. I'm fit as a fiddle. I'm bit busy. I'm bit tied up. Are you mad? Are you out of mind? It's time to study. It's time to hit the books. I like you a lot. I'm so into you. I'm frustrated. I'm at my wit's end. Text me when you get free. Hit me up when you get free. Leave me alone. Give me a break. I'm eating food. I'm having a meal. I'm angry. I'm furious. I feel sad. I feel blue. I'm scared. I'm terrified. It's very dirty. It's filthy. I'm surprised. I'm astonished. I'm worried. I'm anxious. I'm confused. I'm perplexed. I don't know. I have no clue. This is very easy. This is a piece of cake. This is very hard. This is challenging. I agree with you. I'm on the same page. I disagree. I beg to differ. This is very good. This is excellent. I'm not sure. I'm on the fence. I'm excited. I'm thrilled. He's very funny. He is hilarious. It's very crowded. It's packed. It's very expensive. It costs a fortune. It's very cheap. It's dirt cheap. This is nice. This is lovely. I'm late. I'm running behind. It's not important. It's irrelevant. It's chaotic. It's tumultuous. It's mean. It's mean. It's important. It's crucial. It's interesting. It's fascinating. This is strange. This is bizarre. Don't give up. Hang in there. Goodbye. Catch you later. Congratulations. Hats off to you. This is boring. This is dull. She's very smart. She's brilliant. It's very clean. It's spotless. He's rich. He's wealthy. It's very fast. It's lightning quick. It's very slow. It's sluggish. Relax. Take it easy. Can you explain? Can you clarify? It's hot. It's scorching. I'm confident. I'm self-assured.